Samsung has announced two updates to its premium Galaxy Book line, the Galaxy Book 2 Pro and Galaxy Book 2 Pro 360 with S Pen functionality and Galaxy Book 2 Pro with 5G. Both form factors combine the flexibility and versatility needed for today's evolving work and learning lifestyles and are built with Samsung's mobile DNA. The result is a PC experience that is equally productive and portable. The Galaxy Book 2 Pro series is the first consumer PC lineup meeting Microsoft's secured Core PC 1 requirements. Galaxy Book 2 Pro series secured Core PC designation delivers an enhanced level of protection on Windows 11 and features deeply integrated hardware, firmware and software to boost protection against potential cyber attacks.